What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are going to do a little unboxing and first impressions on some heated gloves. Let's go. All right, Kim folks, so today, man, what we're doing is we're gonna do an unboxing and a little first impression on some heated gloves from my friends over at Kemimoto. So if you've been watching the channel, you know I'm a big fan of Kemimoto, man. They sent these over to me, wanted me to do a little review on them. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up, check them out, see what I think, man. And I'm super excited because I've actually got a trip coming this weekend. Probably gonna be cold in the mornings, so I'm excited about trying them out then. Here in Texas, it's starting to get nice and cool weather, man. So can't wait to check them out, try them out, and we're gonna take you along with us. So let's check them out real quick. Let's open them up. All right, Kim folk. So opening them up, man, they come in a nice little box here. You got your gloves that are packaged in there. Let's pull these out. A nice little zipper pouch here. Open them up. Let's see. They come latched together. So they got a little quick latch there to where you can unlatch them, keep them together so they're not, you don't lose them like me. So they come apart there. You've got some hard shell knuckles there. Some rubber pieces there that go along the top part of your knuckles. You got some strap here that you can tighten down to where it'll tighten the glove around your hand. You've got your control here, which is you can control the back and then the palm. So you've got the heat's going to come in through the back of the glove and then also through the palm of the glove. You've got your heating elements there, and then there's going to be some on the back of the glove as well. Looks like you've got a touchscreen. It's touchscreen compatible. Then you're going to have your zipper here to actually put the battery in. So the battery is going to come and connect just to here. It'll be on the underside of the glove, so we'll see how that feels once I get those in there. And then your batteries come packed in a little box like this. They're gonna come in a little baggie. Nice little Kemimoto logo on there. I did charge the battery completely full. And then you're just gonna have a Type-C right there to charge the battery. It does come with a couple charging cables as well. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this joker up. It's gonna plug in right on the side there with your little cord. Plugs in just like that. This is gonna drop back down into your glove, and then that'll zip back up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on first. So you're gonna take it. If you do a quick press, it'll actually show you how charged it is on the battery itself. So if you take it and you hold it, then once your lights are lit up, then you know the battery's on and good to go. So we're gonna tuck that off into there. Fits really nice. Throw your glove on. Man, they've got a bunch of insulation in there. And then there's gonna be different settings on the actual glove here. So let me walk you through those real quick. It does come with a user guide, and then also just how to take the glove off correctly, because to protect your heating elements in the glove itself, they want you to make sure you remove the glove just by pulling, not by the tips of the finger, but down here. Just kind of pulling it up like that so you don't destroy the heating elements inside. They do give you a sizing chart, man, on the website. I went to get, I sized my hand and it came out to an extra, extra large. So that's what I'm running here. And it fits really good. Nice fitment there. They're not super, super bulky. And you really don't feel the battery too much hanging down in there. It's a gauntlet style, so it's longer on the end there. You really don't feel the battery down in there, which is really cool. And then you're gonna have different settings on this bad boy. Let me go over them so I don't lie to you. We're going to have, when your control buttons are red, that's gonna be high heat, medium is blue LED, and then low is the green LED, right? So you can take this, and when you hold the button, the LED will kick on. Right now that's on high. It's red there, so that's high. Click it again. That's medium, and that's low. And then just to turn it off, you're just gonna hold it, and then that'll turn it off. They got, they're actually getting warm pretty daggum quick. So again, you've got the option, man, to actually run the back of the glove or the palm of the glove. So we're gonna take this, tighten this down, get you a nice tight fit around the glove itself or around your wrist. And yeah, man, let me show you the details of it, because it's actually really nice. So hands start sweating in there, man, once you turn that joker on high. All right, let's go over this. So again, you got a nice Kemimoto logo there along here. The stitching looks really good, man. You've got stitching all the way around, which looks nice. Your heating elements are in there for the palm. And then you've got, again, the touchscreen compatibility there on the fingertip, your index finger. And then you're gonna have your zipper here, waterproof zipper at that. As you can see, it's sealed up there. On the back side, that looks like that's gonna be reflective. The little gray piece there is gonna be reflective. You got your controls here, the back and palm it shows. And then your little Titan strap. These pieces here are all rubber. This is a hard shell here, which makes it really nice. And then the inside, you've got like a fleece style on the inside, man, which makes it really warm. Super cool. Again, Kemimoto, man. The zipper's really nice and smooth on the zipper. Gauntlet style glove, heated glove at that. And yeah, I'm super stoked to try them out, man. Can't wait to see how they work. That's what they look like side by side. So let's go over some of the details here. So once you get done with them, take the battery out. And I've got a heated jacket from them as well, man. And let me tell you, it's really, really nice. Unplug that joker. And then, like I said, it'll show you that it's fully charged, and you can hold this, and when the lights turn off, the battery's completely off. So it doesn't drain your battery down, you know what I mean? Battery's really light too. It's not super, super heavy, which makes it nice in the glove, because like I said, it's not real heavy in the glove itself either. There it is. Kemimoto heated glove, man. I'll give you some more info on it once I use them. Like I said, hopefully I can use them this weekend. Weekend, and but first impressions, man, really, really nice. Like I said, all the stitching is real nice. There's no bunch of loose stitching or anything like that. So hard plastic, rubber kind of here on the palm as well, in the corner of the palm. So yeah, super stoked to try it out, man. And I'll let you know how it goes. So Kemimoto, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And so if y'all want to check it out, man, the link will be down below. Click the link, it'll take you straight to the product. So until next time, man, much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See you.